Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing my October BoxyCharm unboxing. I have my box right here. I feel like I haven't done, well, I don't feel like I haven't done a BoxyCharm unboxing in a couple months just because obviously everything going on. Sorry, I'm like putting hand sanitizer on. Obviously with everything going on with me and my life and everything, I just haven't filmed one. So I'm excited. I feel like this month's box is actually pretty good. So I'm really excited. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. I will link it down below for you guys if you want to sign up for yourself. Get the base box, so it's the regular base box. You get 5 full-size products in it every month. So yeah, I will link that down below for you. It is an affiliate link. So if you guys do use that link, I do get a tiny commission from it. So thank you for all of you guys who always use my codes and links and everything. I really appreciate it. So let's get into this one's box. So this one's box is called, or the theme is Candy Shop. I wish it would have been like Halloween. I mean, I guess candy, but like I wish it was like Halloween themed. I just wanted today to be like a really chill video. I'm not feeling like the absolute best today. Also, I'm still getting comments about like my way that I've been acting in videos. I don't feel like talking about it. If you guys don't know what's going on, please go look at my last couple videos and you will understand why. I just am not like my usual chipper self. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that we have is, what is this? This is the Luxie Wonderlust 5-piece eye brush set. Little case. This is actually a really nice like little brush case. Here we have, yeah, 5 eye brushes, well 4 and a spoolie, but these are all actually really nice eye brushes, so I'm excited. We have like an angled fluffy brush, a like flat fluffier brush, and 2 like little smaller tapered fluffy brushes. It's a really nice little brush set actually. I like the color of them, and Luxie brushes are actually really nice. So this retails for 40 bucks, so 40 bucks for 5 eye brushes. It's like decent price. So yeah, so the next thing that we have, I'm gonna put those to the side because we have an eyeshadow palette, which actually looks really pretty. This is from Ciate, and I love Ciate. So this palette is the New England Editor palette, and it retails for $32. It's a really nice like pink and like periwinkle. Oh, it actually kind of like matches the brushes. Was that intentional? I don't know. If it was, that's really cute. What the inside looks like, it's giving me very much like holiday vibes. It's really pretty. It has a lot of metallics in here and some mattes. It has a really nice mirror up here. I'm gonna do a quick little eye look. I think I'm not gonna do anything super crazy. Take this brush in here. This is the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna take, I have no idea what the name of this is. There are no names. I take this like soft brown shade right here in the corner. I should probably prime my eyes first. I'm taking my e.l.f. putty primer, or eye putty primer. I always just call it the putty primer, and I forget that there's an actual like face putty primer. I'm taking that brown shade, starting off on the outer part over here, and then bringing that in to the crease. I've tried Ciate's eyeshadow formula before, and I do like it. It's like a nice formula. And this shadow seems to be blending out fine. I think I want a little bit of a bigger fluffy brush right now. So I'm taking one of my own brushes. This is from ColourPop. This is the E2. It's just like a bigger fluffy brush. I just want this kind of to blow this color out. I feel like that other brush was a little too precise for what I wanted at the moment. That's a really nice, just like neutral brown. It's not too warm or too cool. So now I'm gonna go back with that brush that I was using, and I'm gonna take this darker brown shade right here, lash line, and then moving that up into the outer corner. These eyeshadows are blending out pretty easily, like they're blending really nicely and everything. I'm not having any issues. So far, I really like the way that they're blending out. Okay, so for the lid, I think I'm gonna go in with this like really metallic, like coppery red color. Oh wait, this color right here. Right there. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh my god. This is so pretty. See that? Oh my god, this is literally beautiful. So pigmented. It almost feels like a creamy eyeshadow, like a cream eyeshadow, but it's not. I'm gonna take this really small tapered blending brush that was in the little brush set to blend out these edges. Wow, I'm so impressed with that eyeshadow. I'm gonna go back with that color one more time just to kind of re-intensify it. It feels like butter, you guys. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, and this palette's only $32. I'm shook. It's really good. It's really pretty. You know what? I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like a bronzy champagne-y color, and I'm gonna put this. It's not the same formula, I don't think, because it doesn't feel, it still feels creamy, but the other one I think is more of a metallic, like a metallic foil-y kind of shade, where this one just feels like a shimmer. But I'm gonna put this on the center. That is so pretty. Literally feel like butter. I'm going back with that red shade again because honestly, I think I just like it on its own. And I am going to go back with that darker brown shade. Poke out this outer corner. I am very impressed. I feel like Ciate is a very underrated brand. There is a concealer in this box, so I'm going to do my foundation really quick and then we will use that. Okay, foundation is on. Next we have a concealer, and I'm actually really excited because I have been wanting to try this concealer for a while, and this is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. They sent this shade light, thank god. And this retails for $24. Might be a match. It might be a little light, but it's okay. Too big of a doe foot applicator, but it does have a little thick doe foot. So I'm just going to, I think, do that much and see how that goes. I'm gonna blend that out with a damp sponge. Ooh, it's actually a good shade. It's not too light. Does it have a scent? It looks good. It doesn't look too cakey or anything. For being full coverage, I definitely think it is more on the full coverage side. I don't think it's extremely full coverage, but definitely has a lot of coverage. I don't think it feels heavy or thick, but I don't think it feels like lightweight either, if that makes sense. It's really weird. I feel like I can like feel the concealer under my eyes. I don't know if I'm just like really used to the ColourPop concealer that I use all the time right now. I've been using this like for ever. I don't know, but this is like the only concealer I use now. So I don't know if it's just because I'm so used to this one not feeling like literally anything. I don't know why I feel like I could feel it under my eyes. It's like really weird. I haven't worn like a really full coverage concealer in a while. I've been using the Kimchi one too, and this one's really full coverage, but it's not heavy. So I feel like this one is like a slight bit heavier than I'm used to, but it's not anything super crazy. Setting it with my Fenty setting powder. I'm also just kind of setting the rest of some areas as well. Let me finish up this lower lash line since I'm here. I'm going to take that little flat fluffy brush that we came in the kit, and I'm going to take the brown shade that we used in the crease earlier and run that along, just kind of connecting that to the top to wing out this outer edge a little bit. I'm going to go in with that dark brown too and smoke that out. Take this shade right here. It's like a lighter color. I'm just gonna put that on the inner corner to highlight. I'll finish up the rest of my makeup really quick and I will come back and we'll use the last couple products. Okay, so I just went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup. I put on some lash. I've been wearing half lashes recently. I just got some lashes and cut them in half and put them on the outer edge. Just because I feel like when I wear like regular lashes, I just feel like my eyes, I don't know if it's because I didn't wear makeup for so long, but I just feel like when I wear like regular lashes, like full strip lashes, I just feel like my eyes feel so heavy. So I've just been putting like lashes like on the outer half and I've been liking it. 2 products left, so let me just go through this one really quick because I'm not going to use it. But this is the Spongelle Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. I love these. We've gotten these before and I've actually gotten these myself. These retail for $20. I feel like that's a lot. This one smells really good. It smells like cherry musk, like a musky cherry. This Spongelle has collaborated with BoxyCharm to create a limited edition body wash infused buffer. Yeah, if you guys have never used these before, they're just like a buffer like this. It has soap infused in it and they last about like 6 washes, I think. It doesn't say, but it lasts like a while. I really like that and I'm happy to see that in the box. So the last product that we have is from Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capau. I'm not even gonna try. It's a tinted lip balm, which you guys know I love tinted lip balms. So retails for $20, and this is what the little packaging looks like. Really cute. And it smells, oh, I was expecting it to smell like their other products. It smells like, I don't know, but it says it has a delicious blend of something, butter, acai and coconut oils, cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into kissable, scrumptious lips. Can't tell what it smells like. It kind of smells like coconutty, but also smells like their blue lotion one, the one that smells like popcorn, that I don't like the way that that one smells. But it doesn't smell like that bad. But I am smelling a little bit of that popcorny scent. I don't know why they use that scent, but whatever. So this is in the shade Teeny Bikini. And it's just an orangey shade. Oh no, it is absolutely that like popcorny scent. I am smelling it now. Like once I put it on, it's that pop. If you guys have smelled the, I don't know what it's called, but it's the blue, like teal blue lotion one that they have, that bottle. It smells like popcorn. And I don't know why they use that scent. But this one, now that it's on my lips, I do smell it. It feels nice. I'm not noticing anything like super crazy moisturizing though. My lips are actually really dry right now, and I feel like it kind of clings to the like chappedness part of my lips. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this one. But it does have a nice little like tint to it, and it feels nice. I can smell the scent though, and I'm not a huge fan of the scent. I don't like that like popcorn scent. It smells like, if you guys have ever smelled the Bath & Body Works candle Summer Boardwalk, kind of smells like that. Popcorn, like butter popcorn, I don't know, but I'm smelling it. It's kind of giving me a headache, so I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put on some lipstick, and I'll give you guys my overall review on this month's box. I was trying to find a lipstick to wear, but I think I'm going to go with this one. It's from MAC. It's called Devoted to Chili. It's one of their Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks. What an interesting applicator. And oh, this was more red than I thought. Yep, not feeling that one. Oh yeah, love this. This one is from MAC too. This one's called Make Love to the Camera. I really love this formula. It feels so incredible. And obviously this is not in the box, but this, yeah, these Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks, chef's kiss, girl. Okay, let me give you guys my final thoughts on the box this month. So things first, the little brush set. I love it. I think it's really good. I love Luxie brushes, and I think the ones they put in here are really nice. I only use 3. I mean, one of them's a spoolie, so but I like having like a little separate spoolie. It usually comes in handy for certain things. I really like the little pouch that it comes in. So this eyeshadow palette, yes, I love it. It's so good. I didn't really like know what I was expecting. I had Ciate eyeshadows before, so like I knew they performed well, but I don't know, like this one was really nice. That shimmer that I put all over the lid was beautiful, and I think it gives like a really pretty like metallic foily look without being like overly foily. I don't know, sometimes I see like foil metallic shadows that come in palettes and they're just like super chunky, they get everywhere, and they're kind of just like almost too foily where like it kind of creases on your lid, and this one is not like that. I really love it, and I'm excited to use it in more looks. I wish there was like a little bit more mattes in here, but the shimmers in here are beautiful, so I will look past it. And honestly, for 32 bucks, I feel like this palette's actually really nice for 32 bucks. Concealer, I do like it. I probably will use it for certain occasions when I want something a little bit more full coverage. However, it does feel a little heavy under my eyes. Like I can feel it. It's kind of gone away now, but immediately, I mean, you guys saw it on camera, I could tell that I was wearing concealer, you know, and I think it might just be because I'm so used to wearing the ColourPop one, the Pretty Fresh one, and that one is honestly super lightweight, so it might just be like a shock to me that I haven't worn like a really heavier concealer like that in a while. So but I mean, I feel like it looks really nice. It definitely concealed under the eyes. I am really tired right now, so I definitely concealed that. I think it's sitting really well under the eyes. It's not creasing or anything. The only thing is like it just feels like a little heavier than I like, but I can look past it. After a little while it kind of goes away. Yeah, I'm excited that we got one of these little sponge gel things in here. I like the scent of it. Little lip balm. If the scent doesn't bother you, then it does feel nice. It's like a nice little tinted lip balm. It's not my favorite. I just personally don't like the scent of it. It does have, if you've smelled it, let me look what it's called. It's the Coco Cabana cream. this one, like in little teal jar. It smells like that one. If you can look past the scent, it did feel nice on the lips. I didn't think it really did too much for me, but I only wore it for like a minute. So I think this month's box was definitely a winner. Let me add up everything to see how much it was worth. This one's box was worth $136. Not bad at all. It's always a good deal. I always love adding everything up at the end because I always just think it's just a really good deal for everything that you get in the box. So leave me a comment down below. I know that I'm pretty late this month for the box, so let me know what you guys got in your box this month. Did you guys get the same thing? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know in the comments. So anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.